this is how I decide that I don't like racing. No, I mean I like racing on the road. I like racing on public roads, country lanes. That's fucking brilliant. It's adrenaline rush. You never know when a car is going to come out, or a fucking dog's going to teleport up your ass, or a pheasant's going to commit suicide. But actual track racing is boring as fuck. I don't care if she's blonde. I don't care if she's slim. I don't care if you can see her throat. It's boring. Well, it's just boring. And then scroll down to, yes, my Instagram. Boring. Nice. Boring, 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 boring. And then you come down to Turner Chick, an Aussie, New Zealander, don't care, same accent, whatever. Now this is what I call being a biker. That this woman epitomizes everything that it means to be a biker. It's not going round and round and round and round till you fall asleep on a circuit, everyone going the same fucking direction. It's having a laugh, different types of machines, and just having a big fucking smile. The fact that she's also blonde, skinny, with nice tits got nothing to do with it. It's just a fucking laugh. Big smile sums up everything about being a biker. Not how much money you spend, not how fast you go, not whether or not you do fucking circuit racing, whether or not you got a grin. Tits up. But, big grin.